Amazon MQ. Amazon MQ is a managed message broker service that makes it easy to migrate to a message broker in the cloud. Currently, Amazon MQ supports Apache ActiveMQ and RabbitMQ engine types. It works with your existing applications and services without the need to manage, operate, or maintain your own messaging system. Amazon MQ versus Amazon SQS and Amazon SNS. Amazon MQ is a managed message broker service that provides compatibility with many popular message brokers. It is recommended for migrating applications from existing message brokers that rely on compatibility with APIs such as JMS or protocols such as MQTT, OpenWire, and Stomp. Amazon SQS and Amazon SNS are queue and topic services that are highly scalable, simple to use, and don't require you to set up message brokers. These services are recommended for new applications that can benefit from nearly unlimited scalability and simple APIs. Thank you.